In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the EVAP purge valve on this Buick Encore. This is going to be located on the top part of the intake. Let's get into it. We're going to disconnect this hose. There is a little locking mechanism on this retainer. I'm just going to use some small pliers, and you want to pull that up first. Just grab it from the side here carefully and just pull up. You're not pulling the whole thing up, just the little lock in the front. Just like that. You could try to use a straight blade screwdriver from the front if that works for you. Then we're going to push this down. If you push that down, you can grab the hose and you can pull the hose right off. Disconnect the hose that goes to the intake. We're just going to push on the tab in the front and the back. It's going to spread it. And then you lift up. You might have to wiggle it back and forth a little bit. There you go, that separates that. And just grab the valve. Push that towards the passenger side. We can flip it over and disconnect the connector. There's a little lock tab on here. I'll just use a pick and just push that back. You can push down on the connector, slide the connector off. This little rubber bumper came off from the old one. The new one has this, so just slide that off if yours came off as well. Connect the connector, push down on the little lock tab, get this lined up, slide this onto the bracket. That's good. And connect this hose to the intake, lock that down, that's good. And take this hose, get this lined up, and push that on, and push that little lock down, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.